At Unilock, we believe that innovation is crucial to the success of our industry. Product innovation has been at the forefront of our mission since our inception 48 years ago. Offering innovative and proprietary products assures all of our customers an opportunity to build their businesses for the long term. Today, we're going to talk about Elegance products. They're a revolutionary innovation in concrete paving stones. For years, I've heard from contractors as I've went to job sites all over the country that what's the difference in paving stones? A paver is just a paver. Well, that's just simply not true. Actually, it couldn't be farther from the truth. Concrete pavers are no longer simply a choice of shape and color. Our industry has evolved. Manufacturing technology has advanced significantly. Product offerings, like Elegance, offer significant features that represent benefits to both the contractor and the homeowner. As a landscape professional, you have a responsibility to not only yourself, but your clients to be educated on current product offerings. Only by knowing what is possible will you be able to offer the best solutions to all of your customers. Elegance is one of those solutions. Elegance is a story of strength. Elegance products have two proprietary features, each with their own unique selling benefit. The first feature that we want to talk about is 𝐕 surface technology. 𝐕 surface technology allows us to make paving stones in the exact shape and surface texture of natural products like cobblestone, brick, and even natural flagstone. And when we talk about exact, we mean exact. The natural products themselves are actually used when we create the molds that these Elegance products are cast in. The 𝐕 process creates the most realistic look and texture ever created in a concrete paving stone. There are currently 4 products that we offer in the Elegance product line. Each product has multiple colors to choose from. We have quartz stone, which has been molded from European street cobbles to give you that old time-worn look of a European street. Town Hall, which has been molded from reclaimed street bricks to give you the authentic look of a street paver. Copthorn. Copthorn is a smaller version of Town Hall, and it's actually a mold of a clay brick paver on its side to give you that unique slimline look that's great for walkways and even driveways. And last but not least, we have Richcliffe. It's a paver that's been cast from actual natural flagstones to give you that nice clefted look that you would get from an irregular product. So, what are the benefits of the 𝐕 surface technology? Well, to the homeowner, 𝐕 offers a product that looks and feels like a natural product. This is something that hasn't been available before in concrete paving stones. And to the contractor, 𝐕 allows us the opportunity to make a natural-looking product that has uniform dimensions on the sides to allow it to install like a typical concrete paving stone. So what does that mean? It means that when you're in a situation to where you want to offer a natural product to one of your clients, and maybe the budget doesn't fit a natural product because of installation efficiencies, you can look to the Elegance product line. If you look at this quartzstone paver, you can see the surface of the paver is the same as you'd see on a cobblestone. Undulating, uneven, very natural looking. But if you look at the bottom is uniform on all four sides. That allows you to install this paver like you would any other paving stone. You simply set your base, screed your bedding course, and lay the pavers as usual. So when you think of Reala surface technology, think of it as a solution that you can offer your clients, where as a company you can have more efficiency and do installations faster, and you can offer your clients that great natural look that they would expect from a natural product. The second feature is Ultima Concrete. And Ultima Concrete is a proprietary concrete manufacturing process. Only Unilock in North America has the ability to manufacture paving stones with Ultima Concrete. Let's take a look at the progression of manufacturing from the inside of a paving stone, so you can see the difference through three similar pavers manufactured three separate ways. In the beginning of our industry, this paver here on your right represents first generation product technology, what we call through mix manufacturing. And this was the gold standard. All companies made products this way, and even today a majority of the companies only have that type of technology. Unilock even has a line of products we call Classic that are through mix technology. As product advancements and manufacturing technologies came through the years, face mix became the next gold standard. And this product in the middle has been manufactured with face mix. We call it Enduracolor at Unilock. And what it is, it's a specialized mix of concrete that's put into the mold on top of the classic mix, and it's fused together to make a strong product that has significantly unique benefits. If you look closely and you look from the bottom of that stone to the top, you can see the delineation where the face mix stops and the base mix comes in. Elegance products combine face mix manufacturing with Ultima Concrete technology, resulting in the ultimate concrete paving stone. You can see the significant increase in the thick face mix layer of concrete and how dense the paver is as it blends into the base mix. So what are the benefits of Ultima Concrete? Elegance pavers with Ultima Concrete, they're up to 4 times stronger than poured concrete. What does that mean? It means you have a product that averages over 15,000 psi when we test it, almost double what the ASTM standard is for a concrete paving stone. Ultima Concrete, because of the way it's manufactured, is also very, very dense. That creates a low absorption. What does that mean? Low absorption means that this product is going to be naturally resistant to staining, and it's going to be less affected by weather and the elements. So why does this matter? To a homeowner, strength equals security and comfort. It means that they're investing in a product that will last the test of time. In other words, the homeowner is getting the very best, and everybody wants the very best. To the contractor, Ultima Concrete allows you to offer your clients a product that you can stake your name and your reputation to. It's a product that will deliver superior performance for years to come. Ultima's proprietary technology also creates a superior paving stone surface that has never been possible before. So let's take a look at the same 3 cross sections of the paving stones and compare the surface texture between them. Structurally, all 3 of these products will perform very well. But let's look at life cycle cost aesthetics through the natural wear and tear. All products will wear. It's inevitable. They're concrete. This product here is the first generation through mix. If you look at the surface of it, you'll see that there's significant larger aggregates in the surface, and maybe the surface appears a little bit rough. That was the gold standard for years and years. We talked about the next generation of manufacturing, which is face mix. So these 2 products are exactly the same color and the same exact shape. You can see a distinct difference in the appearance of the surface. the face mix gives a distinct advantage of a more deep color and a more tight texture and smooth appearance. Now, let's take a look at Elegance, the next generation of manufacturing with Ultima Concrete, and compare the surface of that. Ultima Concrete is so dense in the way that it's manufactured, the surface really doesn't look anything like a concrete paving stone at all. It's very smooth and it's very natural, something that can't be found anywhere else. To simulate natural wear and tear, we've put together a small video that simulates what would happen to standard paving stones. The rectangular paving stone, the Holland stone, it's a first generation product similar to the one you just looked at. And the other stone is quartz stone, an Elegance product. And we've submerged these in muriatic acid and let them sit for 5 minutes. Visually, you can see the significant difference in how the products have weared. So when we talk about Ultima Concrete as a benefit, if you have a product that's been subjected to pure acid for 5 minutes and has virtually zero deformation, imagine what that's going to look like at your home, at your client's home, for years to come. So why does all this matter? It matters because the homeowner can rest assured that the product that's installed at their home today will look virtually the same years from now, and it's simply not possible with other types of paving stones. As a contractor, you can feel confident that you are promoting long-lasting, high-performance products that will enhance your designs and separate your company from the average landscape contractor. So whether you decide to use copthorn for a timeless look of a thin-line, natural brick walkway, quartz stone as a driveway for that timeless look of a European cobblestone, town hall as a permeable paver or a driveway or a front walkway, and even Richcliffe as a pool patio, driveway, or entrance to your home. You can be assured that Elegance products and their diverse design options will help distinguish your organization from the average landscape company, create a stronger value proposition for your clients, and position you as the expert on products in your field. Remember, who you choose as a partner and a supplier is a direct reflection on not only your image and your reputation as a company, but it says something about who you are. At Unilock, we take this to heart. As with all of our products, the Elegance line is fully backed by our transferable lifetime guarantee. And additionally, our field staff of territory managers and contractor service representatives stand at the ready to help you with anything you would need on a project from conception to completion. For more information on the Elegance product line or to get a free sample of any of the Elegance products, contact your territory manager and let Unilock help you push your business forward to the next level.